your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Safe and sound.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, bye-bye. Bye-bye ba? Max and Max here in the back seat.
So, manuloy may ugap. So, we are looking for a place kung asabi pwede mo, suroy. Because we have Max, our pet, with us. And si Ading. So, di mo nabawal si Ading. Si Max lang. So, actually, we would like to try Gap and we would like to visit. Actually, gusto namin maligo pool dito. Kaso lang, it's too late. It's already late in the afternoon. Maybe just explore what's inside Gap Farm kasi I think they made some kind of renovations or improvements sa area. And medyo actually naka-sorry me last time but medyo matagal na wala nakapalik mo dito. So sit tight lang guys because we are going to suroy-suroy sa Gap. Hi Max. Welcome good ka diri Max. How much? Kuya. Bata is So it is now paying. Okay guys, good afternoon. Yes. Dali na Max. Kay manulod na to sa Gap. So currently na may diri karon sa Gap Farm, diri sa Diversion Road at Davao. So the entrance entrance fee is actually 80 pesos for the adult tap. Wow. It's the biggest Carabao ever. And actually it's a good place for family vacation. And then it's family reunion lang for every Sunday kasi actually the place is very child friendly. Tapos ayun na actually ito. Nalingaw sila. I love Gap daw. So I think Max made a new friend with the baboy damo wild pig. Yan. And hi Max. And we have some friends over there arguing about Tamaraw and Carabao. Oh my god, what's that? What's that? Well, we have a lot of friends, animal friends over here. Actually, makita gini niyo daghan kay sa tanan. Tingog si Max mahadlok sila sa statue, sa statua. So, kita na gamingo si Max.
Hello. Bira kay na siya modul ba? Hello Max.
Isugod kay na siya. Max, dali. Lapitan mo. Lapitan mo, Max. Ang dami nila. Halika. Sige na. Pagkakataan mo na yan. Tara. Hello guys. Yes, for a few moments actually we enjoyed yung mga few playgrounds nila na naa dito sa actually the place is so makaingon ta solemn and very peaceful. Ikaw makaingon jud ta na it's a very good for family. Diretso na for family reunion or if you just want na mag suroy-suroy. Actually Gap is one of the best place And it's also a place for actually culture, because actually they're showing a lot of native statues of Filipino cultures, and then aside from that, Filipino animals which is can be found here sa Philippines. Tapos especially sa mukha ni mo, Maxoy, tara ba?
Baba kayo, Shibi.
We are now entering the Lanzones Avenue and Durian Avenue, and as you can see, like I mentioned earlier, hello. Gunit na, like I mentioned earlier, of cultural mga statues diri sa Gap, and siguro yes, there are a lot of field trips na mahitabo diri sa Gap. So as you can see, these are the different tribes of Filipino tribes diri around the Philippines, and as nakay nagdulag ano kanang tumbang preso sa bana siya hadula. And yes, ito sa mga dito sa lagi ko pa dito. Ito din kayo. Hello, diyan din sila. Yan. Look at them. Look at them. So yun, different statues, different people, and different focus ka. Meet Liganon, my friend. Meet Liganon, my friend. Liganon, ay Liganon. Liganon, my friend. And meet Accianon. Accianon, my friend. Ate. And this is Ate. Ate, kamusta ate? Yan. Hi guys, we are going to enter the cave. Actually, nakasulod ko diri dati. Salamat eh. Nakasulod ko diri dati, but kinder pa ko ato. Hinumdum ko na ato yung Cyclops. Yan. We are entering the cave. Oh my god. What is this? There's a cobra in here. Come. Shh. Made a new discovery. There's a cobra in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a Cyclops in. Statwa man na. Malo ko si Ading. Na may Cyclops. Pero, oh my god. Oh my god. Alay, baba. Baba na. Migo, apir. Migo. Na, gunit. So, guys, mahadlok si Ading ani. Ay. Manong, pila. Go, go, go. Oh, wala na oh. Oh, 'di ba? Wala na saka dito, saka. Nanggawas na sila. Hi, Max. Yun guys, we've made a new discovery na ay cobra dito sa sulod, and na ay higante, and si Ading kay nahadlok siya. As you can see, this is the land of promise na sign. That's for Davao. And yes, we are going up kay hello sila po do. So yun, we are going on the top, in the top of Gap. The most beautiful woman in the world. Look at the nose. Nayungo sa sulod. Sige, unsa may nakita nimo dito sa ano, interviewon ti ka.
Bolo ko.
Unsa may nakita nimo dito sa sulod sa kuweba?
Unsa daw na dito sa sulod?
Unsa na dito sa sulod?
Ungo.
Unsa may itsura sa ungo?
Sa baboy.
Baboy, di man to baboy.
Nabitin? Nabitin ding? Nay tao, naninda. Ina Yoshi.
Be here in the chapel, and daan lang tayo sa altar. Yes, I am here sa altar. Ako ang pari. Joke lang. Bulagan ko da. Wow, look at how far we've hiked. Kuha ba ni nga tiil? What is this? Oh. Hi, Max. I found the paa. And yes, I found the kamay. And here's the face of Juan Tamad. Year of the Rooster. Parang mga kagdili rooster. Okay guys, this is the highlight of the moment. Na ano mi diri karon sa mga Philippine folklore. Ang kaning mga Miss. Mga multo or mga aswang sa Pilipinas. So actually, mga pinaka most exciting na part para kay Ading. 'Di ba? 'Di ba Tot? So yun. Actually na adri si Tikbalang. Hello. Tikbalang. Ding na Tikbalang. Ding. Hello. Oh my god. Si Manananggal. Manananggal. Aswang. Angel de la Guardia. Oh my god. Hi guys. Angel de la Guardia. What can you say about the Angel de la Guardia? Guys, it's mad. Demonyo. Oh my god, parang manyakis na demonyo. Si Dracula. At saka si Capri. Diwata White Lady. Ha? Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sig babay uy. Hinahinay lang ta. This is the parade of the greatest Filipino people. I think I belong here because I am great. As you can see, this is led by Gabriela Silang. Babae. Serizal. Let's not go further. So to sum up everything, our experience here in Gap is actually okay lang, not bad. Pool, yun, swimming pool. Actually one day when we're going to visit here again sa Gap, probably we'll try the pool. Okay guys, we are now leaving Gap. Actually yun nga, some of our experience, it's not bad at all. And then we are leaving and we are going we are going somewhere else. So yun, that's the Cubao.